Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can view who visit your profile, Instagram profile. I just test this thing for some days and understand that there is no service that will show to you who viewed your profile, because it's secretly. Instagram won't show to us who just viewed your Instagram profile. So it works, some apps just works like this, that maybe this user just like your photo or just write comments. So we understand that this person just get inside your profile. So and this app shows to you that this user just visited your profile. It's true, because for adding comment or liking post, he also could open your profile, but sometimes it's not true, because maybe a person just open your profile and do nothing, so not like or add comment, so this app won't show to you this thing. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.